Petopia.
An initiative by Sakar Media.
आज आपल्या बरोबर इनफॅक्ट पेट्स बद्दल बोलायला आलेली आहे संजना कॅन वी हॅव अ क्विक इंट्रोडक्शन. तुम्ही कोण आहात आणि तुम्ही कुठून आलेला आहात आणि तुम्ही काय करता?
Okay, hello everybody. This is Sanjana Nikam from Pune. I run a school
Okay.
And a junior college and
Okay.
also a daycare.
ओके.
So I always feel that children should be with the pet, have some animal where there is an interaction going on, and
Right.
that is how they learn love, and that is a selfless love from these animals.
ॲब्सल्युटली खरं आहे अगदी. आणि पेट्स बद्दल जसं मी म्हटलं आपण बोलणार आहोत. तुमची जरा सांगा ना, किती पेट्स आहेत तुमच्याकडे आणि सध्या कोण आहे तुमच्याकडे आणि व्हॉट हॅज बीन युअर जर्नी विथ being a pet parent?
Okay, so basically I got married 32 years back.
Okay.
And since day one,
Okay.
along with me there is always a pet in the
Oh,
house,
really?
which takes the majority
पण
attention.
त्याआधी लहानपणी वगैरे पेट्स होते?
लहानपणी I used to stay in a farm where we
Oh.
had dogs, 4-5 dogs. We had hens and we had cows.
बरोबर.
Like I've seen, cows getting twins, delivering
बापरे.
twins, all these things.
क्या बात
And then we've grown those chickens also,
अरे वा.
आजीकडे ते गावरान कोंबडी असायची, so
बरोबर.
laying the eggs,
किती
and then
छान.
that batch of colorful chickens all around.
बरोबर.
And then also my uncle had a poultry which was 4,000 hens were there.
Oh.
So grew up on a farm, and
Grew
I
up
mean
with animals, got married, and first day पासून पेट
Pet.
घरात.
But then in the city it's in the house, so
बरोबर.
that was not a little acceptable because it has a typical animal smell.
Yeah.
But then fine, it's so lovable always,
Yeah.
they change your
नक्कीच. So which
mood
was
and
your
everything.
first pet?
So first was a Pomeranian dog.
म्हणजे तुम्ही लग्न झाल्यानंतर घेतला का? It was always
It was always there in the house.
Okay.
Okay, I stay on Siangad Road.
Okay.
And we had that Jalakendra water purification center.
Right.
They had huge jungle was there.
Right.
So we had those monkeys coming over.
Oh बापरे.
So in a gang they used to come.
They coexist, the monkeys and your dog?
Yeah, they used to.
Really?
One day he pulled the dog by his this little one Pomeranian is so tiny.
Yeah.
पण अंगात एवढा जोर की he
Oh.
went and barked at them. So he caught him by his behind leg
क्या
and pulled him. I said now he's going to take him
बापरे.
on
Yeah.
the tree and I'm
बापरे.
running behind him.
हां.
So that was a scenario and I
Right.
said where am I living? Is it
बरोबर.
Pune? की so many monkeys and that too ते
बरोबर.
वानर काळे तोंडवाला. So they are very dangerous.
Yeah.
But now they all have left because Siangad
Yeah.
Road trees have gone.
Right.
And so monkeys are not there,
Yeah.
but the pet still
Right.
is there. Then we had lovebirds.
Right.
Children were small.
Oh.
So we had lovebirds in the house. We had rabbits also.
Oh, really?
I had kept rabbits in the school also.
अरे वा, क्या बात.
And now
Now what do you have?
we have a golden retriever.
अरे वा, क्या बात आहे. नाव काय आहे?
त्याचं नाव कायरो.
कायरोचे व्हिडिओज मी आता बघितले. सच अ क्यूट डॉग अँड सो फ्रेंडली विथ किड्स. ओ माय गॉड संजना, मस्त ट्रेन केलेलं आहे.
Yes. No, actually you don't have to train them.
Oh, yeah?
They are very smart.
Oh.
And once they see the children, they
Oh.
feel की no, हे छोटे आहेत आपल्यापासून.
बरोबर.
And I have to take care of them.
बरोबर.
So he lets them do absolutely anything.
अरे
Pulling
वा.
the ears, touching the nose. They're pulling the fur. They come and hug him.
हो ना, अगदी
So he
शांत
just
बसला होता
stands
तो.
there like a statue.
हो. So nice.
This is a regular routine that he visits the daycare.
Correct.
Of course, we make him, बाहेरूनच पेट
बरोबर.
करायचं. आत फार नाही
बरोबर,
interact because
बरोबर.
children sleep there, they eat there. So,
Absolutely.
So one place where children can come and pet them.
Interact with him.
So,
How cute.
that
And
is-
I think it's a great thing for kids to interact with pets at such an early age. I'm
You
sure as
should-
an educationist
yes.
you would know.
Yes, and it's a very good emotional outlet, and as I said, they learn a lot of things, and it's a love. जो स्माइल जे छोटे बेबीज पण आहेत माझ्याकडे
हो.
6 monthचे.
Yeah.
द मिनिट दे सी कायरो ना एक स्माइल येते, रडत असतील ना तर
अरे,
लगेच मूड चेंज होतो.
किती छान. किती
And
छान.
then they
It's
want to,
amazing.
they think it's like a playmate. Live soft toy आहे
बरोबर.
सो हलतं डुलतं खेळणं आहे
बरोबर,
अँड
बरोबर.
आय एम तो आतापर्यंत ही इज नेव्हर बिटन एनीबडी.
Oh.
त्याच्यामुळे आय एम शुअर दॅट हा कधी मुलांना काही करणार नाही.
बरोबर.
ही ट्रीट्स देम डिफरंटली.
हाऊ नाईस, हाऊ नाईस.
So,
क्या बात आहे. पण हे तर आहेच ऑफकोर्स. मुलांना तर त्याची आय थिंक खूप दे फाइंड इट व्हेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. दे फाइंड इट एक्स्ट्रीमली क्यूट, सो दे कम क्लोजर टू डॉग्स. बट आय नो अ लॉट ऑफ अडल्ट्स ज्यांना पेटची फार आवड नाही आहे. कशाला ठेवायचं घरी, लहान स्पेस आहे. डॉग्स नीड अ बिगर एरिया टू वॉक अराउंड, प्ले अराउंड. घर खराब होतं, असं अनेक काही काही गोष्टी असतात. पण जसं तुम्ही म्हणालात इमोशनली ऑल्सो अँड खेळणं नॉट जस्ट फॉर किड्स बट आय थिंक इवन फॉर अस अडल्ट्स वी फॉरगॉटन हाऊ टू बिकम किड्स.
Yes.
And I think somewhere pets will allow you to go back to being a small kid again, है
Yes.
ना?
Also, what I feel that these days families are small.
Yeah,
Each one is busy.
yeah,
The pet is the only one who is looking at you. He's always there to welcome you.
yeah.
And he's totally with you.
Right.
He doesn't have ki chalo now it's my sleep time, I'm not going to look at you.
Barobar.
He will be with the child or any member of the family. He'll be doing
Always,
the things
yeah.
whatever you do.
नक्कीच.
So ते एक आहे. Then one more thing I'll tell you, there are cats everywhere.
अच्छा.
Lane मध्ये असतात.
बरोबर.
So recently, and the cat moves from one house to the other.
Oh.
So neighbor had 5 little kittens and
Right.
the mother. So I put them in the box. I carried them to school.
Right.
And there we gave in adoption. Children
Oh, how
took them home.
nice.
So somebody should be taking care of these.
Absolutely.
Dogs
but
or
let's
cats.
talk more about the emotional journey of having a pet. तुमचं सांगा ना, when did you get this pet? When did you get Cairo?
We got Cairo after the lockdown.
Okay.
So he was 1.5 years old. And absolutely, my husband is a person who is animal lover.
Okay.
So for him, I said, Arey, now this is not our age that we
Yeah.
have. It's like a small child in the
Yeah,
house, baby.
yeah.
So it's not our age that we take care. But then he said, no.
Right.
We need a pet because children have grown up.
Correct.
And there should be somebody in the house where,
Barobar.
with always a smile, he'll come running to you
Correct.
and,
How
greet
sweet.
you.
Yeah.
He's the only person who greets, with a smile.
Correct.
So
Yeah.
that is how we got him.
Okay.
But unfortunately, I should say this that these days I don't know what, but these doggies have a lot of allergy issues.
Right.
So this little pup, we used to take him on the tekadi आपली
Yeah.
इतकी सुंदर आहे.
Yeah.
तिकडे नेलं की he used to get at least 10 ticks at home.
अरे बापरे.
Then one day he got a tick fever. So this little thing, is going through so much every now and then
Yeah.
allergy and all. So that episode was there, but still a very playful pup.
Correct.
One day my husband went out of India
Right.
for a trip. Actually, he'd been to my daughter's place.
Okay.
And we lost him with a cardiac
बापरे.
arrest.
Oh, बापरे.
So for this, we were just watching this, how he's going to react
to-
because
yeah.
he was his alpha man. He was the sole
Yeah.
person for him.
Correct.
And I was always a secondary one.
Yes, of course.
And when we got all the rituals were done and we got him
Yeah.
here back home, the first thing I was just watching him, what he did was, he came to me.
Right.
He kept his first leg on my lap and then he put his head in my lap. And he was there for 10 minutes.
Oh, बापरे.
Total body language as if, he's given up.
Correct.
And he put his head in my lap. For 10 minutes he was there.
Right.
And after that I saw that my sari was wet. तिथे जिथे तो त्याने डोकं ठेवलं होतं.
बरोबर.
And after that, he's been always looking at my facial expressions.
Right.
मी sad आहे का? मी रडतीये का?
बरोबर.
Whether
बरोबर.
I am feeling sad. Immediately
Yeah.
he'll come stand next to me.
Correct.
So people used come to meet you.
Yeah.
So every time it happens that emotionally you get emotional.
Correct.
He's always there with me now.
अरे बापरे.
म्हणजे इतकं असं झालंय की now he's looking up to me and he always keeps looking at me की is she okay?
He's looking after you.
Yes.
Yeah. Absolutely.
And since then, let me tell you, it's been a year.
हाँ.
He had stopped playing.
Oh,
And
really?
he stopped playing totally. Whatever new toy you get for him,
बरोबर.
he used to never play. Then his allergy episodes
अच्छा.
started again.
बरोबर.
Then finally, now last 2 months, he was detected with thyroid.
Oh.
And then somewhere I thought ki there are so many health issues going with this child. It's
Yeah.
like my child now.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I said, why don't we give him, change the atmosphere,
Change
give
the
him in
environment for him.
adoption.
Yeah.
It would be really difficult for me because
Yeah.
I have been always his mama,
Yeah.
taking care of him,
Yeah.
grooming him, doing
Correct,
things for
correct.
him. But that's what I thought, that if the atmosphere changes,
Right.
he'll be much happier wherever he's, some other family
Yes.
takes him.
Yes.
So I was telling this to my mother-in-law and I was crying when I was talking.
Yeah.
I had tears because it's not easy.
Yeah, absolutely.
The minute he heard that I'm giving Cairo away, the very next day he started playing. He picked up a ball, he used to come,
Oh
trying
my
to show
God.
I'm very happy.
Correct,
You don't
correct.
have to worry, I'm happy.
Yeah. Yeah,
So
absolutely.
this is the main, I was shocked to see this change
Yeah,
in him.
yeah.
And now he's absolutely an happy
Oh,
dog.
how
So
sweet.
somewhere he came to terms, I would
Correct,
say. See,
correct.
we can talk our feelings. What about the animals who cannot
Yeah,
talk?
yeah.
They cannot express.
Absolutely.
And everything was on his health.
Yeah.
Later it came.
Yeah.
The toll came on his health.
Absolutely.
He used to pick up my husband things and come and show it to me.
Oh.
And you know, if footwear is there, चप्पल घरातली असते ना,
बरोबर,
आपण घातली,
बरोबर.
त्यांनी कोणी जरी घातली तर
हो.
he used to काढून घ्यायचा त्यांच्याकडून.
Really? Oh.
Then with always his socks used to be in his mouth.
बरोबर.
Golden retriever pick up
Yes,
things and keep it in
yes.
there's a bean bag. His house is in a bean bag. So whatever favorite thing, he'll come and keep it there.
Oh, sweet.
So there are so many things of my husband's which are, you know, lying in his bean bag.
खरंच like you know a lot of people who like I said ज्यांना पेटची आवड नाही आहे in fact sometimes I really feel की जे बाकीचे फॅमिली मेंबर्स आहेत ज्यांना पेटची आवड असते and when they bring a pet home the one ज्यांना आवड नसते त्यांचा सगळ्यात जास्त जीव त्या पेटवरती येतो.
So it wasn't, I असं नव्हतं की I didn't like
Yeah,
it,
yeah,
but
yeah.
I wouldn't want like
Of course,
the
of course.
responsibility तेवढी आवड नाही. पण
Absolutely.
then आता असं झालं की the bond is so much strong.
Of course, and now
that
you all are there
now
for
if
each
you
other.
ask me, do you want to give? No, I will not give.
नो
him up.
चान्स क्या
No
बात
chance.
आहे. आपण जेव्हा लहान होतो आणि आपल्याकडे जेव्हा अँड यू बीन ब्रॉट अप ऑन अ फार्म तेव्हा यु नो ॲनिमल्स वुड नेव्हर गेट सिक. म्हणजे असं मी कधी ऐकलं
exactly.
नव्हतं की तो आजारी आहे त्याचं पोट बिघडले तर काही खायचे. आमच्या घरी तर इतके सगळे इंडीज यायचे त्यांना पोळी दूध चपाती द्यायचो त्यांना काही दिलं तरी ते खायचे आणि अजिबात काही आजार पण नाही. पण सध्या आपण ऐकतोय खूप एस्पेशली विथ ब्रीड्स आय फील लाईक त्यांना कुठली तरी अलर्जी असते किंवा त्यांना कुठलं तरी पोटाचा आजार असतो किंवा असं व्हॉट इज युअर रीडिंग इन टू बिंग लाईक यू बीन अ पेट पेरेंट फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 30 years. Why do you think this is happening these days?
Actually, Meenal, let me tell you the fact. I don't know. See, there should be business done, but business should not be with some living being or, you know.
Yeah.
That's really inhuman.
Right.
The close breeding, what happens with these? Now, if you see, there comes a wave when there are Pomeranians everywhere.
Yeah.
Then there were Labs everywhere.
Yeah.
And now is the time for Golden Retrievers.
Correct.
Every alternate house you see a Golden Retriever
Yeah.
with them.
Yeah.
So I feel that close mating, maybe genetic
Inbreeding, you
problems
think is a problem.
Are, yes.
Yeah.
So if you see, majority Golden Retrievers these days are suffering from allergy.
Yeah.
And doctors also can't pinpoint exactly which one.
Correct.
And then they say it is environment allergy.
अरे
आता
बापरे.
इंडियात राहणार म्हणजे डस्ट असणार.
बरोबर.
Now this breed is basically from you know, Canada or those places
Yeah.
where it is very cold.
Cold. Correct.
So in the summers, it's such a tough time for Cairo.
Yeah,
He's just looking for a room where he gets an AC.
Yeah.
He doesn't even come out of the room. He doesn't
Oh, yeah,
want
I can
walks.
imagine.
And
Baapre.
now the rainy
Must be
season.
very difficult
Yeah,
for
in the
them.
rainy
Yeah.
season they're getting wet.
Yeah.
With the dryer, we keep drying him, but still there is a lot of, you know, episodes of allergy.
Yeah.
And their immunity is low.
Yeah.
So that is some genetic problems
I
they are
think,
getting.
I mean, even in humans, you know, I mean, if there is any case of inbreeding, we know, like, you know, that doesn't go down very well through generations.
Exactly.
So, I mean, it's the same sort of logic with animals as well. If you're doing inbreeding, that's what you're going to get. You're going to get a very sick
Exactly.
puppy. Yeah.
So, and then what is that little pup's, you know, how is he responsible? Why he has to go through?
Yeah.
So even if you see Cairo, he's been having allergy episodes every 2-3 months. I have to, you know,
Yeah.
take him to the doctor and
Yeah.
get him treated. And now he's so used to that injection thing or,
Correct.
you know, blood checking.
Yeah.
He'll on his own climb the table. He'll on his own get down from the table. He'll get on the weighing scale. And
Right.
then he keeps asking me whether you have checked my weight.
Right.
Otherwise, I'll do it again. And he gets on and off the weighing scale.
Oh,
So
sweet.
they also have adapted, but I
Absolutely.
feel it is not right.
It's not.
So one suggestion and one I would say, this is, you have given me a lovely opportunity
Yeah.
to, you know, talk and request to people that they should get an indie dog at home because it doesn't have, it's used to this climate and
Yeah.
doesn't have allergy issues or, you know,
Correct.
health issues.
Yeah.
At least you can have a healthy, you know, pet at home.
Absolutely.
And when these little ones are born on the roadside, they don't even know to cross the road. Many of them die coming
Yeah,
under the
yeah,
vehicles.
that's
and
sad.
it's a really sorry state.
Yeah.
When you look into a stray dog's eyes, they look at you, you know, in a very
Absolutely.
pathetic, you know, you feel very sympathetic
Yeah.
when you look at them.
Absolutely.
So
for sure.
I would suggest that each one should get an indie dog. Local
Definitely.
breed जी आहे ती
Yeah.
आणा घरी.
नक्कीच.
And they are more healthy. they are equally clever.
Yeah.
If it is for your status, then I won't say anything. Then you need to buy such fancy breeds.
Yeah.
But you are helping one dog
Yeah,
live a
for
better
sure.
life.
And I really feel like you getting a pet at home is not helping them, it's helping you. You become a better person.
Yes,
You become a
exactly.
calmer person. You're more patient. It teaches you how to deal with different prasangas that happen with you in
Exactly.
life. So I think having a pet at home is
It's
definitely
a very good
something-
emotional outlet for
Absolutely.
everybody, whatever age group, right? From
Absolutely.
children to the elder
Yeah.
person at
जसं
house.
तुम्ही तुमच्या लहान मुलांची मिठी किती गोड असते तसं तुम्ही जेव्हा पेटला मिठी मारता तेव्हा तेवढंच छान वाटतं.
And you
it's
should see the
amazing.
expression in their eyes. It is absolutely pure love.
Yeah, absolutely.
And pure affection they
That's
expect.
so
They
true.
expect nothing from you.
Yeah,
Exactly.
absolutely. For sure. Sakar Petopia चालू आहे. Sanjana Nikam is with us. She's an educationist and also a pet parent to Cairo. Sanjana, thank you so much for coming to the Fever Studio.
Thank you, Meenal. It was great talking to you.
So nice talking to you. Also, I'm going to come and meet Cairo if you can't
Definitely,
bring him to the
always
studio.
welcome
For
home.
sure.
And he's there to welcome you always.
ये यस सुनते रहिए फीवर 94.3 हर सैटरडे को 9 और 11 के बीच सुबह हम बातें करते हैं अबाउट पेट्स ऑन सकार पेटोपिया पावर्ड बाय सकार मीडिया मैं हूँ आरजे मीनत
An initiative by Sakar Media.